You're flying a drone, playing a video game, or watching a sci-fi movie, and the camera or the ship suddenly freaks out, spinning wildly when you try to make a simple turn. What is happening? This isn't just a video game bug. It's a real-world physics problem that terrified NASA astronauts during the Apollo missions. It's called Gimbal Lock. And today, I'm going to explain it with 10 simple doodles that will make you feel like a rocket scientist. Let's get drawing.
To point anything in 3D space, whether it's a camera or a spaceship, we use a clever system of 3 rings called gimbals. Each ring provides a different way to move.
These 3 gimbals give us 3 types of freedom. Roll is like a barrel roll, pitch is like nodding your head yes, and yaw is like shaking your head no.
When everything is level, these 3 rings work independently, giving you 3 degrees of freedom for total control. Everything is smooth and predictable.
But here's where the trouble starts. Watch what happens when we pitch the ship straight up to a perfect 90-degree angle. Uh-oh, suddenly the outer yaw ring and the inner roll ring are perfectly aligned. They're now lying flat on the exact same plane, trying to do the same job. And this is Gimbal Lock. We've literally locked our controls by losing a degree of freedom. The system is now broken. What we've lost is the ability to yaw. That independent left and right turning motion is completely gone. We've gone from 3 ways to move down to only 2. Now, when the pilot, or the computer, tries to make a simple left or right turn, the system freaks out.
This wasn't just a video game problem. Apollo astronauts had to be incredibly careful to avoid pointing their craft at angles that would cause gimbal lock, which could have been catastrophic during their missions.
So how do we fix it? Today, software uses a mind-bending 4-dimensional math trick called Quaternions. It's like a mathematical cheat code for 3D rotation that completely avoids the problem of gimbal lock altogether.
Tell me in the comment below if you want more contents like this. Bangsan AI Studio will entertain you as you wish.
And that's Gimbal Lock, a simple alignment issue with huge consequences, solved by some seriously clever math. So next time your 3D model goes haywire, you'll know exactly why. If this doodle explanation finally made sense, lock in that like button and subscribe for more complex topics made simple. Have another confusing concept you want me to draw? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.
Subscribe.